Guess we believe that. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. Let's do the one that keep the passion. Please, man. Oh yeah. Let's do the one that can imagine. Please, man. Oh yeah. We make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. Let's do the one that keep the passion. Please, man. Oh yeah. Let's do the one that can imagine. Please, man. Oh yeah. You can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the water. You feel defeated, falling on your knees and looking up for some hope tonight. You try to stand up, but you throw your hands up, like you no longer have the strength to fight. You've seen too many sunsets, too many days ending in the darkest night. But on your own, you'll never know, you'll never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. Believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. If you believe, if you believe it, you can do anything, you can do anything, you can do anything if you believe. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. Believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. If you believe.
Thank you boys for your wonderful dance. Now we have ended the program, so I would like to give this time to our Honorable Director